What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on OCGN stock. First of all, brief information about this company. We are on their website and it says Ocugen is a biopharmaceutical company focused on discovering, developing and commercializing transformative therapies to treat blindness diseases. Our breakthrough modifier gene therapy platform has the potential to treat multiple retinal diseases with one drug, one too many, and our novel biologic product candidate aims to offer better therapy to patients with underserved diseases such as wet age-related macular degeneration, diabetic macular edema and diabetic retinopathy. And their main product for now and the main hope of this company is Covaxin. It is a vaccine for COVID-19. We are on Investor Place and this article was published on March 24th, 2021 and it says OCGN stock, 3 key catalysts that could send this stock soaring again. And here are some quotes from this article. On March 11, OCGN stock received a big boost from an announcement that the Indian government would be removing the clinical trial mode label from Bharat Biotech's Covaxin COVID-19 vaccine. Ocugen is the American partner of India-based Bharat. And it appears that Covaxin could also potentially become a key player in the global mass vaccination effort. Initial reports show that there were high levels of antibody response and no serious side effects in phase 2 study of the vaccine. Additionally, a key benefit of Covaxin is its ability to be stored at 36 to 46 degrees Fahrenheit. Other vaccines need much cooler temperature. So, this fact may help remedy the logistical problems in vaccine distribution we see today. And here is the presentation of this company, and we are on a slide with the vaccine. Here is the comparison with the two different types of vaccines, and stability at 2 to 8 degrees Celsius shows only 2 of them, and multiple viral antigens has only 1 of them, and it is a Covaxin. Next upside for the company is its recent earnings. On March 18, the company reported earnings. For one, the net loss of 31 cents per share beat analyst expectation. The company's cash and cash equivalents also swelled to over 24 million, up for 7.4 million the year earlier. This comes as a result of a capital rises that Ocugen has engaged to provide runway for its vaccine development as well as clinical trials on other key drugs. The bigger news in the release is the company's move to work with US regulators on gaining a similar emergency use authorization in the United States. And in my opinion, if this company will receive this authorization, this will give a huge impact on the share price, and this will give a huge catalyst for the company. And we are on FDA news website, and as you can see on March 11, it says Bharat Biotech Covaxin demonstrates strong antibody response. We don't have any information about approval or disapproval of this emergency use, but nevertheless they are working on this and in my opinion we might see some information in nearest future about this work. The next upside for this company is their long-term expectations. As you can see on their website, they have different products and each of them are on a preclinical stage. And this means they have to have enough money to continue these trials, to continue these studies, and in order to have this drug approved by FDA. And Ocugen is preparing to file an investigation new drug application to initiate our first 2 clinical trials of OCU400 in the second half of the year. That's important for 2 reasons. First, it allows investors to project a timeline for the development of this key drug. And second, this reduces execution risk that many investors may be pricing into OCGN stock. And it is still early stage biopharma company. The stock price is relative function of investor expectations. And in my opinion, we have more upside catalyst than the downsides. And let me show you the downsides of this stock. And it says Ocugen stock has way more downside even after this deep correction. And the main idea of this article is that the vaccine space is very crowded in the United States. We have several players on this field. It is Moderna, it is Biotech and Pfizer, it is Johnson & Johnson, Novavax and AstraZeneca. And all of these vaccines have contracts that are still active. And as you can see, the number of these vaccines are relatively high compared to 330 million people of population in the United States. But you have to remember that we have an antibody after the vaccination for about 3 to 6 months. And after this period of time, we have to redo the vaccination. And this implies a huge field for new companies to enter this market. And all this information leads us to institutional investors. And as you can see, we have more green lines than the red ones. This means institutional investors either open their new positions or hold their old position. And as you can see, it's rather big positions for about more than $12 million, $232,000, $4 million, and new position of $100,000. And in my opinion, it is a good sign for the company that they are still attractive for institutional investors. And before we dive deep into the technical analysis, please subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell. In this case, you won't miss my next video, and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So as you can see, here was our 3 main accumulation points, and we hit our second one for the 3rd time and even poke it through. And then we have this action. We poke through the 55 exponential moving average and then bounce back, and the candle closes highly above than it was opened. And this is a very good bullish sign, because in this case we have exponential moving average as a strong support, and on top of that we are above the 0.65 level, and that is also a bullish sign. And for those of you who decide to invest in this company and who believe with the future of this company and who already done due diligence, you might enter your position right here at around $7.70 mark, but you have to keep in mind that we might go lower to about $5 price point, and this is not so far from our current price, and this leads you to average your price and to have more attractive price in the future. So for now I think that's it. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with the notification bell if you haven't done this before, and see you guys and girls next time. Bye.